How many of you, by raise of hands, have debt? How many of you would like to do something about it? Yes or yes? Now, you might be a college student and you don't have any debt. Don't worry, I'll get back to you in just a second. So, the two most valuable things that you possess outside of your family is time and money. How many of you would agree with that? Well, that's what I want to cover, because I'm going to show you right now how you can get both time and money. So welcome to One Finance. This is the most incredible financial tool that I've ever been able to use. I'm going to give you the details. First thing is, it has all of your accounts in one location. For example, if you have Chase Bank, if you have a credit card, a debit card, if you have any other kind of account, student loans, credit cards, car loans, mortgages, it's going to put every single thing all in one spot that you can look right from your phone and right from your computer. Also putting your transactions in one location, so aggregate all those accounts so that you can see everything you need in one spot. Also budgets. It's going to create budgets for you based upon your spending behavior, not what you think it is, so that you can click anything that you want. If you want to look at groceries, fast food, how much you're spending on gas, just by seeing budgets. Many experts say you're going to save about 10% a month. On average, $200 to $300 a month just by having that right in front of you. Also, save 11% using a debit card instead of a credit card. Why? Because it's more painful. You're going to spend more money using a credit card instead of a debit card or cash. Also, you can become completely debt-free using the One Finance tool. Look at the average American family: $248,000 of debt, a mortgage, a credit card, student loans, car loans, any other kind of debt that you might have. Some of you might be able to relate this. $248,000. That's why One Finance is here to help you. Just by following the software, look at this. If you look at the total savings by snowballing, okay, this is without adding an extra dollar. Just making the minimum payments with exactly what the software is telling you to do. $22,500 in your debt-free acceleration, 13 years. How many of you are interested in that? Not putting an extra dollar, just following what the software tells you to do. But what if you applied an extra $200 towards your total debt? Okay, so let's say that you were saving on spending, or instead of buying extra fast food and those kind of things each month, that you were taking that $200 and actually applying it toward your debt. Now your total savings by snowballing is $33,500, and your debt-free acceleration is now 15 years. Okay? Now, the ultimate goal is to live a debt-free, wealthy life. So when you look at this chart, there is no chart. No chart equals no debt, which equals freedom, which equals peace of mind. This tool can help you reduce your entire debt completely using your current income and adding any extra additional income, which I'm going to show you how to do in just a second. Now, how many of you are tired of working so hard and having so much in taxes taken from your check? You look at it and you go, gosh, I worked so hard. Look at how much is taken out in taxes. So the question is, what can you do about it? Well, you can start a business without a building, no overhead, no hiring, no firing, no payroll, no lawsuits to deal with, no product development, etc. Welcome to TaxBot, the most incredible tax app in existence today. This is where you can literally turn your business expenses into deductions, snapping pictures of receipts. You've got GPS mileage tracking. You've got your records stored in a cloud, integrating with your banks at the same time. Now, you can save thousands a year being a business owner and using TaxBot. This is automated expense tracking with a tax savings calculator. So for example, how many of you would like to deduct up to 56 cents per business mile? Okay? Deduct 50% of your business meals. Deduct 50% of your entertainment. Get free gas. That's right, free gas. We can show you how to do that. Deduct your home office and utilities instead of just having liabilities. This is like a 25 to 45% cashback card being a business owner and using TaxBot. Also, deduct $1 per second on average using TaxBot. Absolutely incredible. When the year is over, And it comes tax time, you can simply just print your audit safe report and turn it into your accountant, or if you're going to do the taxes yourself. So this way that you are IRS compliant and you are able to save hundreds and thousands of dollars in taxes being a business owner. Now back to the college students, we didn't forget about you. So one is all about helping people do the following: save, manage, and make money. If you're not interested in any of these things, you can just turn off the video. So if you look at some of the things that we have inside of this membership or this subscription, we have everything from energy drinks that you can save on, health products, savings on vacation, over 2.5 million, condos, cruises, and hotels, getting access to your own live personal secretary with one personal assistant, getting access to one local, has over 300,000 locations worldwide, one deal stream where you can find incredible deals. Also 1MD, where you can literally be diagnosed right from home without actually having to go to the doctor. OneSpeak, getting access to 80 languages instead of one. Recognize any of these logos? How many of you shop at some of these places, both online as well as offline? Getting access to the one apps right from your phone, anything that you need to save on. It doesn't matter if you're going to get office supplies, haircut, oil change. If you want to go out to a restaurant and eat with some friends, you can save on everything becoming a member of Wake Up Now. Because again, we are all about saving you money on interest, taxes, and spending. Remember, save, manage, make money. We're going to show you how to do that. So the ultimate goal is to live a debt-free, wealthy life. Now, Robert Kiyosaki called it the perfect business. Fortune magazine called it recession-proof. In fact, Bill Gates said, if I were given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. See, so many people, the rich and wealthy, look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. So guys, how do you get paid? I'm going to make it real simple for you. Number one, you become an independent business owner so that you are the CEO of your business. So the first goal is all you have to do is share this with 3 people. Like this video that you're watching right now, just share it with 3 people. You don't have to sell people, you just share it like you would on social media. So example, let's say that there was 3 One Life Pack members. What's going to happen is that the company is going to pay you a $100 commission. Great thing is, as long as you have those members, they're there on a monthly basis with their auto pay, you get a $100 monthly commission every single month. Your second goal is to have those 3 do the same. Again, just share it. So now example, you've had those 3 do the same. You have 12 One Life Pack members. Remember, you only did that for 3, but you have 12 total. You're going to get a $600 commission residual as you have those One Life Pack members. Now guys, an extra $500, 90% wouldn't file bankruptcy. This is absolutely massive, okay? So at this point, you have 1,170 volume now on your team. So as that process duplicates, these are a couple things that you're going to qualify for. Number one, vacation bonus. How many of you would like to get paid every month to go on vacation by the company? Car bonus. How many of you would like to pay off your existing car or get a completely new car and also have it be tax deductible? You can do that. Mortgage bonus. How many of you would like to eliminate your house payment or at least cut it down a little bit? How many of you would like to be able to get rid of student loans? Pay them down. There's the student loan bonus, the school bonus. So if you're in school right now or you'd like to go back to school, you could get that bonus as well. So this is how it works. If you look at Founder 4, I want to focus on a couple of these. Founder 4 is a person that has at least 10,000 volume. Okay, volume is created as these products and services are sold. The average Founder 4 is going to make about $2,200 to $2,500 a month and get a free vacation every month. Founder 7, they have 80,000 volume. They're going to make on average about $13,000 to $14,000 a month, plus be able to get some of those bonuses. Now, those major bonuses of the car bonus, the student loan bonus, the mortgage bonus, and school bonus actually start at Founder 5. So it's a significant thing, not only the commissions, but the bonuses on top of that, all the way up to Global Executive there at the bottom, $114,000 a month. There is no cap on income of what you can make in Wake Up Now. And I did say $114,000 a month as a Global Executive in Wake Up Now. So the question is how much is this going to cost me to get started today? The real question is, what will it cost you not to get started? That's the question. You see, remember this? Remember I showed you this debt? It'd take you until over 2042 to even get out of debt. See, some of you can relate to this. You know, some of you are like, instead of hi ho, it's off to work I go, it's I owe, it's off to work I go. You will never become debt free until you learn to do something about it. That's the only way that you can change your situations, because information changes situations. Remember this? TaxBot, deducting, look at all these deductions. You miss out on that opportunity not having your own business and being a part of Wake Up Now. It's going to cost you hundreds and thousands of dollars to not be involved with Wake Up Now, period. Why? Not because of the money that you can make, but because of the tools that we have to help you to become debt-free, save thousands in taxes as well as on your spending. You see, the average traditional business costs about $37,000 to start. The good news is that you don't have to come up with $37,000 today, so don't worry about that. We have 3 different packages. We have the One Basic, One Life, and Explore pack. Now, the leadership packages are the One Life and Explore pack. Those are the ones I recommend. If you want to make serious money and you want to get yourself aggressively into a much better situation, I recommend at least the One Life or Explore pack. That's going to give you access to the majority of the things that I've shown you here in this presentation. Now, we're talking about $4 to $5 a day, folks. Okay, 100% tax deductible. Save more than you spend. Okay, so for example, how many people have Costco, Sam's Club? See, they buy those because the value outweighs the fee. Now, you guys are spending probably more, $4 a day on coffee or fast food. Average American spends $200 a month on fast food. Your cell phone bill every day on average costs between $2 and $5 a day for the average American just on their cell phone. So see, for $4 to $5 a day, you can have your own business, which is much bigger than these things. Now, Wake Up Now has been in business over 5 years. They have 9 offices and 300 employees. They're in multiple countries, and they are a public company. Jason Elrod, the president, and Phil Polich, the CEO. This sounds good, but what's in it for me? WIIFM is a lot of people's favorite radio station. What's in it for me? Well, the first thing is that by being a part of one, you can now live a debt-free, wealthy life simply using the tools we have. Save thousands in taxes being a business owner and using TaxBot. Save huge on spending both online and offline. You can own what you have and not have payments. But most of all, you can have peace of mind. And you got to ask yourself, what does that mean to you? What would it mean to you to have a peace of mind? Now, what does that look like to you? What does it look like to you to have peace of mind and not have those payments? Remember this? I said the 2 most valuable things that you can possess outside of your family is time and money. The question is what you're doing right now getting you the time and money that you feel you want and deserve? That's the question. So guys, after tonight, you're either a 1, 2, or 3. If you're not getting what you want and deserve, number 1, sign me up. Number 2, I got a few questions, get those answered. Number 3, I'm not interested. All you have to do is get back in contact with the person who invited you here and let them know what number that you are. So guys, I appreciate you watching this. As always, we'll see you at the top.